For years, the global energy system relied on one assumption: no one would ever fully shut the Strait of Hormuz because everyone would lose. That assumption just broke. According to the International Energy Agency, nearly 20 million barrels of oil per day moved through the strait before the crisis, around a quarter of the world's seaborne oil trade. What followed, the IEA describes as the largest supply disruption in modern oil market history. Now, the world has seen oil shocks before. In 2022, after the Russia Ukraine war began, supply was disrupted, prices surged, but the system adapted. Oil was rerouted. New buyers emerged, new shipping routes formed, the system bent, but it held. This time is different. According to IEA, this is not a sanctions shock, it is a physical choke point disruption. The oil exists, but it cannot move. Gulf producers have been forced to cut output by over 10 million barrels per day, not because demand disappeared, but because storage filled and exports stalled. The International Energy Agency released 400 million barrels from emergency reserves. But even in its own report, it describes this as a temporary measure, not a solution, because the constraint is not supply, it is movement. According to the US Congressional Research Service, only limited pipeline capacity exists to bypass the strait, a fraction of what is disrupted. And that leads to the structural shift. According to analysis from the Carnegie Endowment for International Peace, the long standing assumption has now been tested and broken. The idea that this choke point would always remain open was not a guarantee, it was a bet, and it failed. China moves roughly 40% of its oil through this route. India depends on the Gulf for nearly 60% of its petroleum. What this crisis shows is not just vulnerability, it shows limits. In 2022, the lesson was that energy flows can be redirected. In 2026, the lesson is that some routes cannot be replaced. Geography does not negotiate. And every energy strategy built on this assumption that the route would always stay open is now built on something that no longer holds.